Enter the world of advanced robotics programming with Ingeno STEM and Robotics Produino, a solution that introduces C, C++ programming, and Python to high school students and robotics hobbyists. With Produino, students create, explore, and share their discoveries as they build, program, and modify advanced models. Explore mechanical engineering principles with real-world scenarios and work on the Arduino open-source platform. Students learn to build and think in 3D space as they master parallel programming skills and synchronous tasks. For teachers, there is support to help students advance their programming and engineering skills.
Students at this age have most probably already selected the career they want to follow. This platform will help them to dig in by themselves into the secrets of technology and explore their true potential. The number of projects we can do with the Produino set is literally unlimited. My students can really unleash their creativity. The Produino platform challenges them to engage with their interdisciplinary open projects that require deep understandings of coding, mechanics, electronics, 3D design, and even 3D printing. Produino is a unique tool that helps students to make the transition from block-based flow diagrams to textual programming languages such as C++ and Python.
The set comes with 32 structured story-based lesson plans with teacher guidelines, DIY experiments, and open project ideas. Students can easily follow the step-by-step 3D building instructions on tablets, mobile devices, printed handbooks, or laptops, which helps them get started. The STEM and Robotics Produino set helps teachers meet curriculum goals and advance their students with essential 21st century programming and engineering skills. Take key STEM skills to the next level with Produino.